Welcome to our tutorial on Software Ideas Modeler. Today, we're going to learn how to create a filter that hides all constructors in UML class diagrams. Let's get started. First, open the Diagram tab located in the ribbon. Here, you'll find the Create New Filter button within the Filter group. Go ahead and click it. In the Filter Definition dialog that appears, let's name our filter. For this example, we'll call it Without Constructors. This name helps us identify the filter easily later on. Now select the Field Filter option. This ensures we're only filtering fields of the elements, not the elements themselves. It's a crucial step for our specific need. Next, navigate to the Alternatives group and click Add. This allows us to define what we want to filter out. In the new dialog, pick Type from the left drop-down menu. Start typing Operation and select Operation, System Type, Operation from the autocomplete suggestions. Don't forget to check the Negate checkbox. This is important as it reverses the filter logic, allowing us to hide the constructors. Click OK to confirm this part of the filter. You'll see the definition now listed under Alternatives. Let's add another condition. Click Add again, and this time choose Stereotype from the drop-down. In the adjacent field, type in Create. Just like before, select the Negate checkbox. This step is similar to what we did earlier and ensures we're filtering out constructors. Finalize this step by clicking OK. Now, both definitions should be visible in your filter criteria list. To apply this filter to your current diagram, simply click the OK button. You'll immediately see the constructors disappear from your UML class diagram. If you need to remove this filter at any point, click on the Remove Filter button. It's located in the filter bar above the diagram editor. To reapply the filter later, just head back to the Filters drop-down in the Filter group on the Diagram tab. Your Without Constructors filter will be there, ready to be applied again. And that's it! You now know how to hide constructors in UML class diagrams using Software Ideas Modeler. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.